students, let's continue the changes after 1991. The year 1991 is held to be very important in the history of the world as well as India. The Soviet Union disintegrated into several different small countries and the Cold War came to an end. In India, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao initiated many changes in the Indian economy. During this period, the Ram Janmabhoomi and Babri Mosque issue at Ayodhya came to the forefront. Let's see what had happened in 1991. This 1991 year is very important for the world also and as well as India also. What happened in India? P.V. Narasimha Rao was the Prime Minister of India and he faced many problems, many issues in India. So he made many changes in the Indian economy during his period, and the issue was Ram Janmabhoomi and Babri Mosque. What is the issue of Ram Janmabhoomi and Babri Masjid or Babri Mosque? So Ram Janmabhoomi is the name given to the site that to be birthplace of Rama. Rama's birthplace is on the bank of the river Sharayu in a city called Ayodhya. Ram Mandir and Babri Masjid dispute is a little shoot ownership of land between Hindus and the Muslim parties, and 2.77 acre of land. The Hindu parties claim that the dispute site is the birthplace of Lord Rama and which was demolished in 1528 by Mughal Emperor Babur, who constructed the Babri Masjid. So this was the major issues. Our India was suffering a lot, and last year we solved this issue. But at the same time in the world, Soviet Union disintegrated into several different small countries and the Cold War came to an end. This topic we will learn in the next lesson in detail. Let's see the next. In the election conducted between 1996 and 1999, no political party got a clear majority in the Lok Sabha. This resulted in 3 governments in a short span of time. Those led by Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda and Inder Kumar Gujral were amongst them. Finally, in 1999, the National Democratic Alliance came to power under the flag of Bharatiya Janata Party and Atal Bihari Vajpayee became India's Prime Minister. Okay, let's see what happened. 1996 to 1999, no political party got clear majority in election in the Lok Sabha. So last year I taught you. This is the result. 3 governments in a short span of time, and those led by Prime Minister's names are Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda and Inder Kumar Gujral were amongst them. So let's see the H.D. Deve Gowda. He was a Prime Minister of India in 1996 to 1997. So only for 10 months. Then Inder Kumar Gujral, he was 1997 to 1998 as a Prime Minister of India. He remained in office only for 11 months. And Atal Bihari Vajpayee was very short times Prime Minister. But finally in 1999, the National Democratic Alliance came to power under the flag of Bharatiya Janata Party. All of you know the Bharatiya Janata Party is the national party. Narendra Modi is also belong to Bharatiya Janata Party. And the Atal Bihari Vajpayee became India's Prime Minister. Now what work Atal Bihari did? Let's see. Atal Bihari Vajpayee tried to establish a dialogue with Pakistan but was not successful. India conducted a number of nuclear tests in 1998 and declared herself as an atomic power. In 1999, there was another war between India and Pakistan in Kargil region over the Kashmir issue, and India defeated Pakistan in this war as well. Let's see. When Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a Prime Minister, he tried to solve the problem between India and Pakistan. But it was not successful, it was unsuccessful, and at the same time India conducted a number of nuclear tests in 1998. First nuclear test we conducted in 1974 when Indira Gandhi was Prime Minister. So in 1998 we did the successful number of nuclear tests and declare India as an atomic power. In 1999 there was another war between India and Pakistan. First war was in 1971 and 1971 to 1972, and this is the second war of India, second war between India and Pakistan in Kargil region over the Kashmir issue, and here India defeated to Pakistan in this war as well. So this was the two topics which we learn about the changes after 1991, and we saw the work of Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao, then H.D. Deve Gowda, Inder Kumar Gujral, and finally we saw the work of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Thank you and have a nice day.